Are you guys ready? So this year we have our Halloween friendly ghost bundle. This definitely has a kawaii cute feel. So sit back and get ready to do some nail art with me. That looks really cute. So now you kind of have like a matching nail that matches your stamper and scraper set. That's so cute. I think there's something for everyone on here. So if you're into like the creepy and some really cute ghost images. Look at that, it's so cute. Plus the movie favorites. Didn't think we could make Freddy look adorable, but he looks adorable. So as you can see, the Friendly Ghost is a really cute bundle to play with. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love. What a deal. I love Halloween, makes me so excited.